We're out here, St. Mark's. Gonna do a little snorkeling. I wouldn't say it's calm. It looks calm, but there are some rogue waves from all the scallopers. If you guys can see the armada over there. But yeah, the water's pretty clear. Try to do some fishing. We got these new gulp baits. They're real big. I was hoping maybe we'd come across some solid snapper or like a little grouper just to play with, but we haven't had any luck so far. So I'm just gonna jump in and do what everyone else is doing, which is swimming for these little scallopy thingies. Yep. We don't have a lot of luck here. We usually just get like 19. You know, a couple more gets us a cocktail type of amount. So yeah, let's jump in. Carly's turn. Carly's getting in them. Got about 6 so far. So we found about 20 scallops. Then we had to go and meet our family at the sandbar. Right there, all right there. So we were getting into them, but you know, we got enough for a cocktail or two. So yeah, we didn't bring the spear gun today. Padre did find a big sheep head on one of the rocks with actually a remora on it, he said. So that would have been cool to shoot. But yep, just got a couple scallops and the new lures didn't work. So maybe it's too hot. The water is 88 degrees. So yeah, I also was having some problems with my SD card on my GoPro. So whatever video is there is there. Sorry there wasn't more. I got a new SD card and it just keeps failing on me, so I'll test it at home for like 6 videos straight, and then all of a sudden I get out here and then it's like SD card error, so I don't know what's going on. So stay tuned to that when I finally fix that GoPro, I guess. I don't know, maybe I have to go back to the old SD card that it came with. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. That'll help me out. We're getting up there. We just hit over 150, which is way more than I ever thought I'd get. Let's try to get to 200. So we got 22. Not bad. We broke our record last week with 19, and this was only done about 30 minutes or so. So you can see some of them are pretty, I would say, super big, like that one compared to that one. But it's enough for some snacks, a little side dish. So let's try to clean some of these. Carla's gonna show you. So when you freeze them or have them in the cooler, some of them are already sort of open. Or actually, most of these are actually closed, but they usually are just open. You just get a spoon and you sort of peel out that muscle. You're looking for that big white chunk. Everything else is guts. You try to pull it with your fingers. Try to get as much of the guts off as possible, because that's not what you want. There you go, got yourself a little scallop nugget. So there's not a lot of meat, of course. That one little piece, about the size of a fingernail.
Look at this guy.
So big ones like that are ones you want. You can see the difference. Probably a bigger chunk of meats than this one than it is that one. So the tip is to go in through that little hole right here. There you go. Push it in there and wiggle it down to the front and pop it up.
Oh, boss.
There you go. That one's got two pieces in there. Unless it's just split. I'm not just gonna watch, because we got 19 more to go. I don't want her to do all the work, so let me try to help her a little bit. Here's some of the progress. Couple nuggies. That's the last one. Just a little. And we're just gonna put some butter in these and saute them. Put a little salt, pepper, maybe a little Everglades seasoning.
Oops, sorry.
I don't know if you guys have ever used this stuff. You can buy it at Publix. This stuff's amazing. It's basically just a bunch of salt. Put on steaks and chickens and pork and rice and grits and fish and eggs and bacon, maybe. No, you don't need to ruin bacon. Q likes bacon. But it'll be a little appetizer, so I don't know if we'll video it, but that's what you get for about 22 scallops. Took about 30 minutes to maybe an hour to get this much. We don't get a lot up here in St. Mark's, so it's been a couple years since more than a couple years since we've had a lot. But yeah, so that's all we got. Never got into any fish at all or anything, so just had ourselves a chill day, good time, and got a little red. But see y'all next time.